So in this particular section, we will be covering what I use to send the payment to the supplier as well. Number two, I will be always talking about how you can actually find the trusted supplier, which I already explained in the terms of quality, but in the terms of if you send them money, they will send you the products or not. And the third thing I will be talking about the quality testing, like you get what you paid for, what is advertised or what is described there at the same time. So the first thing is in the terms of payment. Once you will contact the supplier, you will ask them what payment method they are accepting. If they accept the PayPal, good enough. Just send the money with the PayPal, that's fine. But most of the people, I will say 99% of the supplier, they don't accept PayPal. In China, it's just something they don't do. You will have to send the money either into a Chinese bank account or you will send the money under the name of one person. Obviously, the details will be given to you for the supplier. For both of methods, what I normally use for is a company called TransferWise. With a TransferWise, as compared to the rates that you get from Western Union, or if you have to, let's say, send the money from your bank account into a Chinese bank account, it's going to be really expensive. So the thing with the TransferWise that they are cheaper as compared to any other solution out there. So first of all, in the terms of fee as well, like how much is going to cost you to send the money, and second thing in the terms of what you call exchange rate as well, it's going to be a lot better than many other one as well. I will leave the link for the TransferWise inside the description. You can check that out at the same time. The second thing which I want to talk about is like you get what you pay for. So once you are paying for the product under the detail whatever the company will give to you, beforehand it is very important to see if that supplier is verified. I talked about it in a previous lecture as well. Once Alibaba lists the product or list a factory onto Alibaba, they go through a verification. So they make sure that everything is in order. So if the supplier is verified, then it's not like you will send them a payment and they will run away with it, because Alibaba have this eligibility requirement in order for any supplier or factory to list their product on Alibaba, and they have to go through it. That's the reason they get this verification badge, and then they should be trading over 2 years as well. So this is 2 years. I don't deal with 1 year, so less than that as well. These two things are very, very important. If they are doing over 40,000 transactions and then they are still there on the platform, which means they are a reliable supplier at the same time. So these two things are very important. But still, if you want to check the product as well, you can ask once you contact them, can you send me a sample, which is not going to be free. You will have to pay for it as well. So you can ask for the sample, check the product, and that's the way you normally kind of get through it. Another solution for it, which I don't normally go for, but if you are somebody who want to go through that particular route as well, is to actually get help from Alibaba inspection, or kind of they have the quality testers. You will have to pay for them as well. So for example, these companies right here, you can just simply contact them onto Alibaba. If you just simply Google it, like Alibaba quality inspection, these companies right here, they have their rates and all that kind of stuff as well. They will be able to give you quote at the same time. Then on the top of that, some products will require some kind of certification to bring into the UK as well. So sometime maybe they have to be CE approved, or they have to be some kind of verification. Your supplier will give you all those documentation at the same time, so you don't have to worry about the certification and all that kind of stuff, because they have to be certified in order to ship those products to the UK at the same time. So they will give you all the required documents at the same time. So in all the quotation, the cost of the import duty and import VAT will not be included. So I will tell you in next lecture how you can calculate that before you actually send the final payment, so you know this product will be worth selling or not.